Welcome to multi-stage fitness test. This test comprises of a 20-metre shuttle run running from red line, blue line, down the far end. There are 3 ways you can fail this test. If you fail to make the line, you'll be given 1 warning. 1 warning, you may carry on, make the line, and carry on. If you make the line on the other end, your warnings are back to 0. Okay, if you fail to make the line on the second attempt, keep on going. PDI will raise up 2 arms in the air, say 2 warnings. You are still in the test. Carry on running, make the line, run again, where you'll be given a 3rd warning. Okay, if you reach a 3rd warning, PDI will remove you from the test, and you'll move to the side. Okay, another way you may fail this test is if you leave before the beeper sound. If your foot is on the line and you go to run off before the beep sounds, you will be given a warning. If you do it again, 2 warnings. 3rd warning, once again you will be removed from the test. The 3rd way you may fail this test, on the last shuttle of your required level, you must make the end line. If you do not make the end line, there is no warning system, you will be removed straight away. Okay, before starting the test, we must ask you if you have any medical problems before conducting today's test. Make sure you are good to go for it.
The test starts in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 9, 4. Level 9, 5. Level 9, 6.
Must make a line. Clear.
Level 9, 7.
Leave immediately, left-hand side. Wait for the beep. Code, leave immediately, last warning. Wait for the beep sound. Left 0.
8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1.